Oh, it looks like we're getting a message from Gabriel, one of the developers. Looks like you're off to a good start. You're probably wondering what these two beasts are on your desk. Well, back when I was an intern, I was checking out some of the old storage closets for extra monitors, and I came across a couple of gems. These were dusty, like no one had used them in a long time. One of them is a robot-looking thing called Quizatron 9000. Classic name, right? It looks like it's straight out of the 50s, but someone spliced in a USB cable, so I plugged it into my computer. It asked for some data to pull from, so I gave it the URL to the Drupal chat room API, and it started asking me questions via my browser that were, well, oddly relevant. I fed some of your data in, and I think you might want to take a look. Check back in with it regularly to make sure you know what you think you know. The second gem was an old PC I fired up. It didn't even have a brand name, and it seems like it just has one purpose: to give the user perfectly crafted tasks relevant to what they're learning. It sounds a little crazy, but whoever turns it on gets these challenges that are exactly meant for them. No feed needed. It must be some group of sensors or something, I don't know. It's kind of amazing and fun. It's called the Overachieverator, or at least that's what the title says. It really helped me speed up my learning process back in the day. I kept hoping it would start talking to me, but it never has. Sure would liven up some late nights if it did. Good luck, and I'll be in touch.